Forget those soggy, overstuffed sandwiches. It's time to elevate your snack game with open-faced sandwich boards. Imagine a beautiful wooden board, piled high with colorful, flavorful toppings, all artfully arranged on slices of your favorite bread. This, my friends, is what we call an open-faced sandwich board. Open-faced sandwich boards are all about showcasing the quality of your ingredients. No more hiding wilted lettuce or suspect tomatoes under a second slice of bread. Here, every ingredient is a star. Think of it as a blank canvas for your culinary creativity. Whether you're hosting a party or just want a quick and satisfying lunch, open-faced sandwich boards are incredibly versatile. They're perfect for casual gatherings and can be easily customized to suit everyone's taste. So ditch those boring old sandwiches and let's get creative. The beauty of open-faced sandwich boards lies in their endless possibilities. The base is simple, a sturdy bread like sourdough, rye or baguette sliced about 1 inch thick to hold the toppings. From there, let your imagination run wild. Start with a spread. Think hummus, pesto, flavored cream cheese, or even a simple swipe of good quality butter. Then, layer on your proteins, smoked salmon, sliced roast beef, grilled chicken, or even a perfectly fried egg. Next comes the fun part, vegetables. Get creative with textures and flavors. Use a mandolin to thinly slice cucumbers and radishes. Roast colorful peppers and zucchini. Add fresh herbs like dill, basil, or chives for a burst of freshness. Don't forget a sprinkle of salt and pepper to finish. Open-faced sandwich boards are a feast for the eyes and a friend to your body. Their visual appeal alone is enough to impress your guests. The vibrant colors and textures of the toppings create an appetizing masterpiece that's sure to be the star of any gathering. But beyond their good looks, open-faced sandwiches offer a lighter and healthier alternative to traditional sandwiches. By ditching the top slice of bread, you're automatically cutting down on carbohydrates and calories. This makes them a great option for those watching their waistline without compromising on flavor. The open-faced format also encourages you to load up on fresh vegetables and lean proteins, making for a more balanced and nutritious meal. So indulge guilt-free and enjoy the goodness packed into every bite. Crafting your masterpiece tips from the kitchen. Creating the perfect open-faced sandwich board is an art, but with a few simple tips, you'll be a master in no time. First, choose the right bread. It should be sturdy enough to hold the toppings without becoming soggy. Toasting the bread lightly can also help prevent this. Next, pay attention to the order of your toppings. Start with a spread to create a moisture barrier, followed by proteins, cheeses, and then vegetables. This will prevent the bread from becoming soggy and ensure that each ingredient shines. Don't be afraid to get creative with your toppings. Experiment with different flavor combinations and textures. And most importantly, have fun with it. After all, the best dishes are made with passion. Dare to experiment. Open-faced sandwich boards are your culinary playground. Don't be afraid to think outside the box and experiment with unexpected flavors and ingredients. Try a Mediterranean-inspired board with hummus, feta cheese, olives, and sun-dried tomatoes. For a taste of Asia, go for a board with sriracha mayo, pickled ginger, shredded carrots, and sesame seeds. The possibilities are truly endless. You can even create themed boards for special occasions. For a festive touch, use cookie cutters to shape your bread into hearts for Valentine's Day or stars for the 4th of July. Let your imagination run wild and surprise your guests with your creativity. Open-faced, open to possibilities. Open-faced sandwich boards are more than just a meal. They're an experience. They're about bringing people together over delicious food and sparking conversations. So, gather your friends and family, unleash your inner chef, and explore the endless possibilities of open-faced sandwich boards. Remember, there are no rules in this culinary adventure. The only limit is your imagination. So, get creative, have fun, and most importantly, enjoy every delicious bite.